Hi everyone, welcome to Meet a Tape. Today we're going to see about Kent Zoom vacuum cleaner. Let's see a quick unboxing. Sometimes cleaning can become hectic, especially if you want to deep clean the house. The lint just gets everywhere. So we wanted to get a vacuum cleaner which is cordless. We live in a 2 BHK house. We thought a basic vacuum cleaner should do the job. If it is cordless, it'll be more convenient, which is why we went for Kent vacuum cleaner. We have been using this for over a month now. We are first time users of vacuum cleaner. To our surprise, this made our day-to-day cleaning very easy. This definitely cut down the effort. Great for deep cleaning the windows and small nooks. It gets all the dust. From our experience, it is a good cordless vacuum cleaner on a budget. If you find this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Meet a Tape.